Alrighty, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna set up our weekly plan. So let me get back over here into February. We're gonna go into the week of Valentine's Day, so that would be this one here. You see I have a blank slate. This planner comes from Breezy Organization. I absolutely love this. It's a life planner and it's in a farmhouse style. This is what it looks like from the front. This planner has links to go into the daily view. So if you wanted to look at my daily view, so that would be an example of a daily view for me. Let's go back. Then we also have a weekly view, and this is like last week's setup, which is super cute. First thing I like to do is let me look at my monthly and see if I've got anything going on this week that I need to include. So on my monthly, of course, Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I have a hair appointment on Wednesday, as well as Bible study, concert to go to, and then a meeting to go to. So I need to remember those things. So I'm just gonna pop back over here and just pencil them in for right now. Let me pick up my pencil by going to the little widget there, and I've got a pencil, and I'm just going to use black for now. So on the 16th at 11:30, I will make this cute in just a minute. First of all, I know that I want to do, these are her new stickers, and you can customize the colors to match some other things, which I love. So I'm definitely going to use some of these. With digital stickers, you always want to copy them and reuse them. So I'm going to get the lasso tool. I definitely want to use this appointment. So I just lasso it, I click, I hit copy, and then I'm going to go back over here to my planner, and then I'm going to just hold it and paste it, and I can resize it to whatever size that we want. In order to get that whole thing, I gotta loop it all, copy, and we're gonna paste that here. So I definitely know that I want to grab this little thing because I think it's so cute. So we're gonna include that. I throw things on here and then I'll arrange it as I go along. These are really cute. She did a good job with these. So we'll just see if I want to include some of these. Like I think these little tennis shoes will probably fit. I'm thinking pink, black, gray. Those are my color schemes, I think, for this time. All right, so in my February stickers, I've got some real cute things. I have been loving this little girl here, so I'm gonna bring her over. She's sassy, she looks Valentine-y, so we're gonna keep her on here. I had her here last time. I think I'm gonna probably have her kind of dancing over here. So I'm just gonna go through all of my different stickers and my widgets, and I'm gonna pick out some things that I think that I will use in this layout. And then in order to resize, I just drag the little arrow down on the corner, and that's gonna do it. Or I can adjust the sides and the top individually if I have it on crop. So again, we're gonna just copy and then paste them in. And I'm going to continue to go through and just pick out things that I think I'm going to want for this layout. And I can always adjust them or resize them as needed. So you'll see here that I'm kind of moving things around, just kind of playing with the layout a bit to see what's going to work better for me. The beauty of a digital planner is that once you lay down a sticker, you can still move it around, you can change the size, you can decide not to use it, and you still have that sticker. You always copy and paste because you have a sticker forever, which I love.
Tired eyes need a cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. Now, here is where we were talking about that new sticker pack that she just released that is completely customizable. So when you're going to change the color on this, the key is to completely circle the entire thing and then change the color. If you only circle a small little part of it like her other stickers, it won't pick up the whole thing. These, because they're customizable, you have to treat them a little bit differently.
This is a color block that I have created in the past. Basically, all I did is I used a lasso tool and lassoed a small section of a color that I wanted to keep, and I saved it as a picture. You can also use text instead of handwritten notes. You'll notice that when I finished my text, it disappeared. That's because I had laid down my text first before I had my text box. So in that case, what I have to do is I have to lasso text and paste it on top of the box. With the digital stickers, the thing that was put on the page first goes to the bottom. So if you end up wanting to add something underneath, you'll need to cut and paste it back on top. And now I'm just going to pick up a few more little cutesies that I like. I'm just kind of going through, seeing what will work and what won't. And as I pick up something new, I have to rearrange some of my smaller clip art so that it all works. Now, you notice when I went to rearrange that, I lassoed and I got more than one thing. So I had to stop and then go back and then just edit each individual clip. Once you get the hang of how to move things around, it goes a lot faster.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Now that I've got it saying just what I want it to say, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop and put it right where I want it to be. I got another one of her customizable boxes. And again, I'm using one of those color boxes that I had saved. So I had a lot of fun playing around with different colors. I was trying to find a pink that I really liked. And then I remembered that I could go back into her sticker pack and it would tell me what pinks she used in that pack.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
And I'm going to do the same thing, kind of change the color so that I don't have all of my pinks together. I love that this is so customizable, and every single week I learn a new trick, so you're never completely knowledgeable on everything. I watch videos, I play around, sometimes I make a mistake and then it's like, oh, I didn't know I could do that. So don't be afraid of a digital planner, and remember, anything that you do and you don't like, you can undo it. So I don't know if you guys follow me, but I am doing the FlyLady cleaning system, and that's why you'll see that I have so many little notes here. It has been such a game changer for me. You just would not believe how well it is working with my ADHD. I would love to see you stop by and watch some of my cleaning videos that I'm putting out.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
I like it. but I always like to lay out my weekly plan on the weekend before. I don't like to get too far in advance because I feel like it usually will fall apart. So usually on Saturday or Sunday, I set up my weekly plan for the following week, and then every night I do a plan for the next day. So I plan one day ahead in my daily section. All right, so I'm kind of thinking this is pretty cute. I'm going to fill in these boxes down here and just put some finishing touches, and that will be my planner layout for this week. What I'll do is I'll go in and write out my menu on Tuesday when I plan it out, and I'll finish some of these small things throughout the week as I add in and make changes to my week. And this is just a quote that one of the YouTubers I follow just hit record, reminds me to don't be afraid to set up my videos and just do it. I'm learning as I go. Remember, everything is customizable, so if you don't love something or if you want to do it a little differently, go right ahead. Everybody has their own style. I do a lot of writing in mine. I like to use my planner as a journal as well. So I will go in and do a lot more writing in the spaces. So I'm just playing with placement and just kind of adding those personal touches at this point. All right, guys, I think that is the perfect planner layout for me. Okay, guys, here it is, the final layout. What do you think? Leave a comment below and let me know, what do you think about the planner? And are there any things that I didn't cover that you have a question about? Have a great week. Bye.